playing, man. Tell Buddy boy you better get on something other than that ground playing that break.
Well, tell that dumb plug it too hard, cause I'm...
Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land. You're 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
I'll get out there and I'll push you. Hey, Beavis with the wave. I'm 483 down here in the BYU. Gotta get cut one.
Hello down there in the BYU, man. Hello down there in the BYU. You sounded real good in Tennessee. You're 018 Tennessee Beavis, and I'm waving.
I believe you say 018. I think that's what I get. I could be wrong. You correct me if I'm wrong. Hey, you get on that station, Skywalker in Louisiana. Look at bring up and get out.
Hello, Skywalker down there in Louisiana. Hello, Mr. Skywalker down there in Louisiana. You sounded real good up here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Lily pad in the bayou. Me and this big lily pad in the BYU reading the mail.
Take care, 445. Always a pleasure on SEM. It's a 445. Mudslinger, Mudslinger, Stomper. I'll see ya.
I'm going to turn my beam down there towards Florida a little bit. Hello, Mudslinger. Hey, Mudslinger, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave, Mr. Mudslinger.
All right, back, Beavis. Sounding good like always. Hello, Beavis. Hello, 018 Beavis. Mudslinger with the wave. I'll see ya.
Alrighty, Mudslinger, good to hear you in there, man. Right here, we got a little Mother Nature. You sounded real good up here in Tennessee, Mr. Mudslinger. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, right on 018. No pain, no strain, big brother. Sounding good like always, man. Radio man said I had some feedback going on. Audio. Hey, Beavis, what's this thing sound like there, buddy?
My deal on this.
That sounds real good to me, man. There's a bunch of them out there keying up with you, but I don't hear no squealing or nothing like that. It's sounding good up here in Tennessee, Mr. Mudslinger.
Appreciate it, Beavis. Take care, big brother. It's always a pleasure on the scene. I hope all is well around this stack of bricks. Hello, Beavis. Beavis, your friend Mudslinger, bottom side of the sand pile. I'll see ya.
All right, Mudslinger, you have a good one, man. I got you on the video gate. You know who it is. Your friend NTN 018 Beavis with the wave. We're listening.
Bye, Beavis.
Bye.
Break that receiver.
Hey, Big John, did told me.
I thought I heard 351. Hey, 351, is that you out there, man?
Yeah, just trying to use up in your radio.
13 in Tampa, break.
Got a big old hammer and all that. Hey, Mudslinger, you're 355. Right back.
Creed, Florida.
Good evening down there, 351. Hey, 351, man, it's good to hear you up here in Tennessee. Mr. 351, my friend down there in Florida, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Yeah,
Hey, how about it, Beavis? How about that, Beavis? 813 in Tampa?
357 right up in there with you. I tell you what, I got the gate rolling so you can check it out. Florida's going to try it one more time. Break up.
Yeah.
All right, 351, you sound real good, man. We're just sitting here cruising. We ain't running real hard. We got the big box on, but we just got her coasting down the road, blowing the dust out of it. 351, sounding good up here in Tennessee, man. Hello, 813. 813, you're sounding good up here as well. 018 Tennessee Beavis is away.
I appreciate it. You and 357 back to back. Old Mudslinger is about 100 miles south of me.
195, 6
Just want to wait to end. Y'all keep safe, and we get back with you when Mother Nature allows. You're 351 waving and go.
No, 351, yeah, I appreciate it, man. Oh, 357, he's a good dude, man. He's about, I don't know, probably about 100 miles from him, but he's a good dude. Like I said, we just sit there cruising, man. We're kind of running on the low side. I wouldn't say low side, but we ain't running hard. 351 sounding good up here in Tennessee. Yours 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Hey, Beavis, you sound real good in Tampa, no doubt about it. Beavis, 813 in Tampa, getting down.
Check it out on YouTube. 351 Radio on YouTube. We'll get back with you. Take care. Put the maid.
Roger, 351. Hey, 813, man, we just We had this thing on in months, man. We just now, it's the first time it's been plugged in a wall in 2 or 3 months. We just kind of sitting here cruising on the kind of the low side, kind of the medium side, I guess you could say, just kind of running it real easy, trying to make sure everything's going to work all right. 813-018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, run some of that, Beavis.
That's good there, 357,
You put me in the corner, 813 in Tampa, break.
We'll get numbers back this way. And
Alrighty, 813, yeah, you sounded real good, man. Sounds like my neighbor 357's in there, too. He might be putting a stomp on me there, but appreciate it, 813. Good to hear everybody out there, man. I'm real glad to hear a little Mother Nature rolling. I got a little video game going. I hope you're all having a good evening. Your 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Okay, Beavis.
Hey, Beavis, I don't know if I can put some weight on me, Beavis. Mudslinger gone.
813 in Tampa Bay, Florida. Bye.
Alrighty, 813, sounded good, man. Yeah, Mudslinger, I heard you in there. I got the video get rolling. You come right on in there, Mudslinger, sounded good, man.
John Stewart, bye.
Hey, 018, tell that Mudslinger wave it here.
Bye.
Hey, 018, tell Mudslinger 813 wave. I'll see you.
Hey, Mudslinger, 813's waving a hand at you. Hey, Mudslinger, 813's waving a friendly 5-year wave, man. 018 Beavis, passing out 5.
I appreciate it, Mudslinger, Beavis. Hey, Beavis, I appreciate you doing it, no doubt about it. 018 in Tampa Bay, Florida. Bye.
Check. Anytime, Mr. 813. Your 018 Tennessee, Beavis, sitting here reading the mail, rolling the gate.
Right there.
Is it been about as far as I'm getting?
Oh, 26. 820.
Where you at, 714-234, said that.
Hey, you're sounding good there, Mad Dog.
Hey, 018-747's in there. No, I'm trying. I guess I might have to get the old beam up.
Yeah.
Let me get my beam back to the west side, and I'll try to holler at him, Muskin. I heard you.
Hey, 10-4, hey, I appreciate it, man.
Hey, Beavis, did you point out here in Tampa?
How's your sound?
Hey, 018, 813 in Tampa, boy.
All right, there's 747 with that big old wave. Hey, take care, man. Be careful.
Hello, 747. Hey, 747, what's going on, man?
Hey, there he is. There's a 0.
Hey, Slowpoke, 483 down here in the BYU waving.
Yeah, man, I was pointing down at Florida, 747. It's rough and tough up here in 10, man, but you sounded real good, Mr. 747. I was pointing down there in Florida talking to them there, Brady.
Everybody Beavis, 195, standing by, break.
Came in there sounding real good.
Hello, Slowpoke.
Hello, 195 down around the sand pile. Let me get back down your way a little bit. Hey, 195 down around the sand pile. You sound real good, man. Y'all are wearing my rotor out. Mr. 195, 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Waves, if you want to come get one where you can talk. Tell my homeboy, he got to raise his hand if he want to talk, they break.
Up there, Beavis. Your 195 station up here around Central Florida, standing by.
Yeah, 195, man. I hope you and yours have a good one. Got you on the video gate. Your 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, right. Roll that gate. Hey, 018, around no doubt about it. We're going to let on. Hey, Beavis, sounding Central Florida, no doubt about it. Beavis, your $1.95 episode of $2 is standing by.
I think I heard you say something about $2 in Florida. It was tough in there at the time, man. There's a bunch coming in there from Florida, but you sounded real good up here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave, rolling the gate.
Yeah, right there, Beavis. We're putting our light on, man. Sounding good up around the hood. Hey, Beavis, keep on doing the donkey stompers, and I'll see you. Bye.
10-4, I appreciate the good word. Got it all when you said it all. Save some of them flyers for yourself. Sitting there cruising this old donkey stomper in my HGs. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, right.
Hey, waving a hand, 64 North Carolina. 64 North Carolina, 813 in Tampa.
Oil can of my mama's Subaru. Hey, Beavis, oil can of my mama's Subaru in the Bayou country got down. motion, baby.
I think he said somebody in a Subaru in the bayou. A Subaru in the bayou. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving a hand your way, trying to.
Slow motion down here in the BYU, that's how you know. Riverboy. He knows me about Riverboy there too. No doubt, bye.
Yeah, hello around the Carolinas. Hello around the Carolinas. Hey, 13 but check out the oil can of my mama's Subaru. Hey, Beavis, check out the oil can.
Hey, Slowpoke, he gonna make me turn my big box on. He gonna make me turn my big box on, Slowpoke. Tell him I said hello, slow motion, got down. No doubt about it, but anyway, we got 64 and heard that scarecrow laugh. He's down in Tampa went away and get down on motion. 10-4, Slowpoke, tell him it's old Riverboy out here. He knows who I am. Oh, 483, Slowpoke, I'm back reading the mail.
Hey, Beavis in Tennessee.
Hey, Slowpoke, he done made me pump it up. Hey, Slowpoke, he done made me pump it up. Hello, Slowpoke, slow motion, break.
I heard somebody say, hey, Beavis in Tennessee. I heard that out there, and then everybody coming there together, and I hear slow motion out there. Hello, slow motion. Sounding good, slow motion. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the waves, sitting here rolling the gate.
Hey, I'ma say hello right back to you. Sounding real good coming down here in the Bayou country. I was on that baby drive, but now I done pumped that twin pull back up. Welcome to the real slow motion. Big Bobby and getting on down.
No, it ain't slow motion. I hope you and yours have a good weekend, Mr. Slow Motion. You're sounding good in Tennessee, slow motion. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, Carolina, 13.
I guess my old radio ain't making it out there in DX land. I wanted somebody to tell old slow motion at 86. 86 from the big horn. Somebody tell slow motion at 86 from the big horn. Slow motion,
86 and the big horn. 86 and the big horn sounded good in Tennessee, Mr. 86, and I'll pass that 5 for you. Hey, slow motion. Slow motion, I don't know if you can hear me or not, man. It's rough in there, but if you hear me, slow motion, 86 and the big horn said hello. Slow motion, 86 and the big horn want me to tell you hello. 018 Tennessee Beavis passing the 5, and I'm listening.
Hey, when we tell slow motion, my homeboy, I'm just tell my homeboy, slow motion is 346 on the BYU. Did say hello, howdy doody. 346 sitting on this big lily pad in the bayou reading the mail.
Hey, slow motion, 346 wanted me to send a 5 your way. Hey, slow motion, 346 wanted me to send a hello, happy 5 your way. Slow motion, 346 waving a hand. 018 Tennessee, passing a 5. We're listening.
Now, here's somebody around Kentucky, man, sounding good around the BYU.
Did he say hello while I was on the mall? Hey, did he say while I was on the mall? Was I on the mall? Slow motion, suburban, getting on down.
No, slow motion, he didn't say it while you was on the mall, man. He didn't say it while you was on the mall, slow motion. When you keyed up, it was all you, man. 018 Beavis letting you know.
Hello.
1-8, hey, I tell you what, you blowing smoke down here in the BYU. Tell my friends I said hello. Tell 86, tell 346, tell them all I said hello. Hey, 018, slow motion, big body suburban, getting on down.
I can do it there, slow motion. Hey, man, I can do it. 346, 86 in Texas, and 346 in the Bayou, slow motion. Was waving that friendly 5 right back. 346 in the Bayou, and 86 in Texas, slow motion, sending that 5 right back. 018 Beavis passing the 5, listening in.
Well, Roger, right on, man. I appreciate it, big brother, no doubt about it. I appreciate you rolling that 5. 346 around the BYU, stepping right there right now.
Tell 346 I'm gonna cut his lips off. Bye 018, tell 346 I'm cutting his radio off. Bye. You waiting?
Oh, no. You better watch him out there at 346. Hey, 346, slow motion, says he's going to cut your lips off, man. 346, you better watch old slow motion. He says he's going to cut your lips off, man. 018 Beavis passing a 5.
That cotton pig ain't gonna cut nobody's doggone lips off. Hey, that cotton pig ain't gonna cut nobody's lips off while I got that big lily pad in the middle of the road. Tell some and get recruit, man, because he ain't gonna play with this cotton picker. Tell him I got that big hammer down. I'll see ya. Bye, 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 bye.
Slow motion 346 said he's got the hammer down now. You ain't cutting nobody's lips off. 346 said he's got the hammer down. He ain't cutting nobody's lips off. I don't know if he was keyed up or not, slow motion, but all I can tell y'all is I am rolling the video gate up here in 10. I am rolling the video gate, and I'll post it up in a minute, and y'all can watch it and see what you're doing. 018 Beavis, passing that 5, letting you know.
Well, Roger, right on, man. Tell him to forget about it, man. Tell him to save his time and to save his money and to save them fans on their cotton picking amplifier because he can't mess with 346. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 018, something about a Suburban trying to run with that base station, mate.
10-4. 346 said don't waste your fans, don't waste your amplifier, but you're in there too, slow motion. It's close. It's really, man, it's close. Y'all just have to watch a video gate, but 346 probably got you that time, but you're riding his back. It's real close. Y'all just have to watch the gate. You better watch him, 346. 018 Beavis listening.
Yeah, tell him he better quit wasting his cotton picking time right there, man. Tell that cotton picker he better quit wasting his time and try to kill on 346. Tell slow motion to quit wasting his time and kill him for me. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
At base station.
10-4, tell slow motion to quit wasting his time, and slow motion coming there too. 346, slow motion, pleasure on this end. I'm going to sit back and probably end this gate and put it up on the internet. It's getting pretty long, but 346, slow motion, everybody else out there. Y'all have a good one, man. I'll come back on here in a minute if Mother Nature's still rolling. I'm going to load this gate, and I will catch y'all later. Your friend 10 saying have a good weekend, everybody. 018 Tennessee Beavers, and I'm back quiet for a minute on the broken down donkey Stomper. We're listening.
Hey, 018.
Look right there. Hey, look right there in Tennessee. Look at 346 right there in Tennessee. I see you.
Bye, 346. Bye, 346. Catch you later.
Got down, got down. I don't know if you're walking now.
Bye, slow motion. We'll catch you a little bit later. Bye, slow motion. Catch you a little bit later, slow motion. I'm going to stand by a minute and let somebody else have the channel.
Tell slow motion I got that lily pad on top of his head. Tell slow motion 346 got that big lily pad on top of his head. I'll see you.
Got to take a easy quick save. Yeah, it's rough.
They're all 713, 346 with the wave right back there.
A whole lot of line going on. I'm back quiet. $1.95 up around Cincinnati, Florida, 7 11 on Baker.